Meaning of humanistic.
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 Humanistic. The term humanistic refers to a philosophy or approach that emphasizes human values, dignity, and potential. It prioritizes the individual's subjective experience over objective facts and encourages self-reflection and self-directed growth. People who adopt a humanistic perspective tend to focus on positive aspects of humanity and seek to improve their own lives and the world around them. This approach stresses empathy, creativity, and personal responsibility. Ultimately, humanism seeks to help individuals develop their full potential and live fulfilling lives.